Presenting OnePlus U-Series 55-inch 4K Ultra HD LED Smart Android TV in the color black. This Full HD Smart TV with the refresh rate of 60 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. This TV lets you experience an immersive viewing with wide color gamut, dynamic contrast, anti-aliasing, dynamic gamma curve, HDR10+, and gamma engine. The maximum viewing distance of this OnePlus TV is 9 feet. Powered by Android 9 operating system, this smart TV works with OnePlus Connect, Google Assistant, Play Store, Chromecast, Shared Album, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Content Calendar, Oxygen Play, Kids Mode and Game Mode. The OnePlus TV features 2 USB ports and 3 HDMI ports for easy connectivity. The 30-watt audio output with Dolby Atmos audio and down-firing reflex 4-unit speaker ensures clear sound. Inside the box you will find 1 LED TV, 2 table stand base, 1 user manual, 1 warranty card, 1 remote control, 1 AV-in adapter, 1 AC cord and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.